Kris Aquino has finally found love again. When she posted this on Instagram, the queen of all media was keeping his identity a secret. Making her followers guess. Until one netizen commented negatively on the post. Former Interior Secretary Mel Senen Sarmiento revealed himself in the conversation to defend Kris. Sarmiento had been a member of her late brother's cabinet. He was former President Kris Aquino's DILG chief from September 11, 2015 to June 30, 2016. Sarmiento had also been a Samar congressman and mayor and vice mayor of Calbayog. Kris adds, Sarmiento came to her life in God's perfect time.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.